Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So I think I am making this video for the fourth time right now because of some kind of a glitch with my memory card. So that's a different story. But today we are talking about the product review of Maono AU A03 Professional Studio Podcast Microphone. It is one of the recent purchases which I made. So we will be going through the reasons for buying this microphone and the contents of the box. Everything I will be telling about this microphone, what I faced, what I think about it, what are my reviews. But before qualifying the reasons for why do you need this mic, maybe you need to know that for whom is this mic intended for. So basically, if you are a YouTuber, if you are a gamer, if you do podcast, if you do any kind of streaming, if you are a vocal artist or something like that, you want to provide voiceovers, for that particular kind of a thing you need this mic because of the crispness of the sound which comes through this microphone. Again, I would like to mention that the audio which you are hearing in this video is coming from the same mic. So starting with the first thing, that what comes in the box, what is the content of the box for the price which you pay, what do you get in it. So starting with the first thing which you open up, you get the anti-wind foam filter and the pop filter for this mic. Basically the pop filter is made of a metal stand and has two different kind of filters in it. You can basically look at it and see, and you can tell that it has two different filters, and it has a Maono branding on one edge and the other one is just the one which is facing the mic. Talking about the wind filter which you get in this mic, it is basically made of sponge. It is thick and is able to cancel out most of the noise. Talking about the surrounding in which you use, it also depends on that. So I think that these two things are being provided at a very cheap price. Especially the pop filter at this price is really great. So coming to the second layer of the contents, you have a lot of things. So starting with the first, that is the microphone stand. The microphone stand is again made of metal and has weight to it, which defines the quality of how the stand actually is. And the mic stand is also able to handle the mic properly. It does not let the mic fall off, has different kind of clamps at different positions, so you can use the microphone stand in a very flexible manner. You can move the mic the way you want, and you can also adjust the rotation of the mic. So that's really great. Coming on to the second thing which is provided in this box is the table clamp. So basically table clamp is used to mount your microphone stand on the table through the use of the table clamp. And the table clamp is again made of metal and has a clamp which is like maximum, if I show you roughly, it's around this much size. So a size of any kind of a table or a desk which has this much amount of length, it's able to clamp through that particular surface. So you can use the table clamp and then you mount your microphone stand in that table clamp. So coming on to the next thing which is provided in this package is the shock mount. So as the name suggests, that the shock mount is used to place your mic in a very firm position, and it is really of a good quality. Again, it has something like a clip kind of thing which you can use to lose your mic and adjust it accordingly based on where you want to place your mic in the vertical position, and the rest of it is handled by the microphone stand only. So coming on to the next thing which is provided in this package is the XLR cable which you need for the mic. Now it is a 3.5mm jack connector and not a USB connector. I will come into that later, that why we did not go for the USB version rather than the 3.5mm jack version. I thought this mic does need power output, but it does not need any kind of power. It directly takes power from the source where you use it. For example, if you use it in your camera, it might take power from that. If you use it with your laptop or your phone, it can take the power from that. Now coming on to the one thing which is needed for especially the laptop and the smartphones, if you use this mic with those devices, is the Y cable which they provide, because it cannot be used directly with these kind of devices. It ensures that the compatibility is really great for this kind of a mic with different devices across all the platforms. And last but not the least is the mic itself, the thing for which you paid this amount of money. And I think that the mic justifies the quality for the price you pay, and I think it's much more than that, because the mic is made of metal and it has again weight to it. It looks professional, it sounds professional, and it has a Maono branding as well. So basically it's a cardioid mic, and as per the manual it says that you have to use the mic from the position where your mouth faces the branding of the mic, because from there only the sound will be recorded. and since it's a cardioid pattern mic, it is able to cancel out most of the noise which comes from behind, and for that particular reason I went for the Maono AU-A03 condenser microphone. Now coming on to why did I go for the AU-A03 and not the AU-A04. So there are a couple of reasons for that. First of all, the price for which both these mics are available. So the AU-A04 is available for around 6,000 rupees. The price may vary based on the availability sometimes, and the AU-A03 is 1/3 of that price. For what you pay for an AU-A04, it's just 1/3 of that. Now you might ask that what is the difference between the two. So the basic difference is that AU-A03 has a 3.5 mm connector and the AU-A04 is a USB microphone, and that again justifies the quality of audio, because as per Google, the USB microphones are much more better in sound quality compared to the ones which are something different, like the one which we have, that is the 3.5 mm connector one. And I think I don't see a kind of a difference in both these two, but maybe if someone experiments by changing the XLR cable on this one with a USB one, I think they might get the audio which they desired from an AU-A04 in an AU-A03. Now that's completely experimental, that's not what we are trying to do here. So basically that was all about the mic. So thank you for watching this video. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक दबा के जाना, सब्सक्राइब करना चैनल को, एंड ये वीडियो शेयर ज़रूर करना उन लोगों के लिए, बहुत ज़रूरी है जिनको एक माइक चाहिए जो इस प्राइस रेंज में मिले, फ्रॉम अराउंड 2000 to 3000 रुपीज़, एंड उसके साथ साथ एक पूरा माइक्रोफोन किट अगर उनको इस प्राइस रेंज में मिले तो इट्स रियली बेनिफिशियल फॉर देम. सो डेफिनेटली मेक श्योर टू गेट देम टू दिस वीडियो इफ दे नीड सच काइंड ऑफ अ माइक, and I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.